I'm on my way to our property to do some bush hogging. It's Sunday afternoon after church. It's going to be, it says it's 76 degrees right now. I mean, how nice a day is this in Louisiana in May? Gonna go just do some clipping on the tractor at the property. It's one of my favorite things to do. I can sit there and I can bush hog roads and trails, and just think about whatever and look around at the property. And it's just one of my ways of relaxing. Plus, it gets this place looking good and keeps it looking good. We've got it on the market now. It's a pretty high-end recreational track that we're selling in smaller pieces. So I want to keep the roads and trails nice, so that when people come look at it, they, you know, ooh and ah over it, because it's a cool place. But first impressions go a long way in selling a high-end recreational property. So we try to take care of it and make it look as good as we can. I'm always, when I'm bush hogging, I'm always looking for sheds, looking around at what I can see. I can't tell you how many sheds I found just from the seat of the tractor, because I'm looking, and I love finding sheds. I looked for them all through the early spring, especially before things get grown up too much. And I've got boxes full of them in my office and at home. So anyway, it's a great day for me, getting to go do what I like to do. Hope you spend time on your property just enjoying it with the simple things, not always killing a big deer or whatever, but just the little things to take care of it and leave it a little bit better than you found it. That's one of my personal philosophies about land, is try to leave the place a little better than you found it. And this is my way of doing it, by taking care of it. You always seem to see me in this truck. I spend a lot of time back and forth in this truck, looking at property, riding around, taking care of business. Son of a gun, I got over 200,000 miles on this 2012 Ford, so I do spend a lot of time in this seat. Anyway, hope you have a good day. Bye.